The Edo State House of Assembly don receive the screening report from the House Committee on Rules, Business and Government House concerning Dr. Osoikhia Oahimire, wey dem nominate for the position of Executive Secretary for the Edo State Primary Healthcare Development Agency. The Majority Leader of the House, Honorable Charity Agwobaweyan, present the report, and the clerk, Yahaya Omogbai, come read am for the House. The report get 4 key findings and 1 recommendation wey concern the qualifications and experience of the nominee. According to the committee report, Dr. Oahimire, wey dem born for 1983 and come from Ira, Eastern Central Local Government Area, get bachelor's degree for medicine and surgery from Abruzali University. Indoor practice as medical doctor for 15 years. The committee recommends say Dr. Oahimire fit run the position wella sake of his experience and leadership ability.
The letter for confirmation screening was sent to our committee. The committee portion to our vow for due diligence and the expeditious dispensation of responsibilities. Search through 8,000 times and came out with a report which is ready for deliberation subject to the competence of this report. Mr. Speaker, if you may, the report is ready.
Step 1, some report.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
So we members agreement that we should go ahead to process the information. Please say aye. Aye. Those against say aye.
Yes. 4 findings and 1 single recommendation. Findings are finding number 1, Dr. Osoikhia Oahimire was born in 1983. Here from the Central Government Area of Edo State. He had Bachelor of Medicine and Surgery from Abruzali University and several other certifications. He is a member of Royal College of Surgeons in United Kingdom and West African College of Surgeons. 2. The nominee is a medical practitioner with 2 years government experience. 3. That the nominee is an indigenous of Edo State. 4. That the nominee has necessary exposure and experience to take the agency to the next level. The single recommendation. The Ascent Committee recommends that Dr. Osoikhia Oahimire cause be confirmed by this Honorable House as the Executive Secretary, Edo State Primary Healthcare Development Agency.
4 points, findings, and 1 recommendation. If you have agreement that these 4 findings and 1 recommendation should be adopted by this House, please say aye. Those against say aye.
My name is Charity Agwobaweyan. I represent the very sagacious people of the Administration constituency, and by God's grace, the Majority Leader of the Noble House. Mr. Chairman, having successfully and extensively deliberated by way of consideration of the report so presented this morning, they are applying that whilst remaining on the upper left chair, that Mr. Chairman change to that to Mr. Speaker and resume plenary for the purpose of reporting progress on this report. May I so pray?
President.
The Chairman tries to second the motion by the Majority Leader to the effect that having considered this report, that Mr. Chairman had to regard to the Speaker the purpose of reporting back to plenary what transpired by the Committee of the Whole. And so second.
Thank you very much. Majority Leader is seconded by the President. To reflect that Mr. Chairman do not change to that is present, Mr. Speaker, report back to the House. Agreement, please say aye. Those against say ayes have it. This is where Ambassador Park Committee of Board, where the reports of the outstanding Committee of Rules, Business and Government House, Distribution of the Secretary, Edo Primary Healthcare Agency, was a bit upon. And committee, after doing due diligence to this document, they came up with 4 findings and 1 single recommendation. And for an agreement, as if these 4 point findings and recommendation should be adopted by this House, finally, we say ayes. Those against say ayes have it. So, members, I want to seek permission to ask the if the nominee is within the basis of the hallowed chambers. If you're not that I should do so, please say aye. Those against say aye.
When Dr. Osoikhia Oahimire entered the hallowed chamber, he introduced himself to the House and took mat on top some of his achievements and promised to improve healthcare for grassroots level for all the 3 senatorial districts for Edo State.
Good morning, Speaker. Good morning, Speaker, and honoring members of the House of Assembly. My name is Dr. Osoikhia Oahimire. My age is 42 years. Date of birth was December 12th. 1983. I am from the local government area, Eastern Central local government area of the state, specifically from Iraq. I attended my school from my secondary school in Edo, Scarlet Local School in 2003. I had my first white result. Following that, I became admission into the university. I attended Osoikhia. I had my first degree as a medical doctor. Following this, again, I went for my NYC, did my house job in Iraq Specialist Teaching Hospital, where I had some basic skill in the field of medical science and surgery. Following this, I was also posted to NYC as a upper doctor. I did with public health in my local government, in the local government, in my local government in Niger State. So I gained entrance into the residency program in Federal Medical Center in Iraq, where I obtained my first postgraduate degree as a surgeon. Then following this, I declared my interest in coming to EDHA, to work in EDHA. And here I am, hoping to serve the state. I am from Edo State, Eastern Central local government, specifically Iraq.
Honorable Father Igbe Mole, Honorable Sezwa Ojizeli, Honorable Kingsley Ugabi, Honorable Richard Edosa, and Honorable Uyi Omosigo, members where they represent Eastern Central, Eastern Southeast, Esako East, Oredo West and Oredo East respectively, express confidence for Dr. Oahimire sake of his experience to improve primary health care for the state. Dr. Oahimire answer the questions where the lawmakers ask.
Dr. Oahimire from my local government. I know him quite well.
Let's say what you know him.
Yeah, very well. And he's Mr. Africa. He has all the experience required to carry out the responsibility. I will plead to you, sir, to allow him to take the environment. I know fully well that he will discharge his duty diligently with benefit of all the administrations. We are doing this 10. I'm telling you.
So, I don't want to
Chief, I present all East and Southeast State constituency. Mr. Speaker, the member representing is as central as those people very well to assure me that I am not the person before us. Nevertheless, Mr. Speaker, that we have been doing this does not mean we should wait to be down. I think we have come of late and we should begin to do something in different ways. Mr. Speaker, permit me to briefly ask Dr. Oahimire a very pertinent and related question. I know very well that with your sitting with us here, you have gotten a lot of experience, very rich one at that. Okay. By this your experience you have listed here, what new thing are you bringing to bear with the Edo State Primary Healthcare Agency? Thank you.
The first plan of bringing on board, first is I want to, my primary aim is to bring healthcare down to the grassroots and to ensure that the people of Edo State, they don't lack healthcare. Because I'm aware of the challenges facing the primary healthcare. So we are going to tackle it. And I also ensure that I carry the house holistically alongside while executing my plans. And I will also entertain advice from any member of the house. Then, above all, I also work with the government, His Excellency Mundi. I will also ensure that his plan and dreams are also achieved. Thank you very much. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Mr. Speaker, mine will not really come by way of question, but it will come by way of encouraging this our young doctor, because going by his CV and where he has worked, this is about the time almost every doctor in Nigeria is running out of the country for greener pasture in a foreign land. But I'm pleased that you choose to stay here. You as an indigene of the South Central and as an Ishan man, you were in Tiwa, like you said, Tiwa Specialist Hospital. You're also in UPTH, and you are born here from Edo. Our people have these challenges of not accessing healthcare. That's why, as the name goes, you are to be on the primary healthcare issue. Why I said mine will not come as way of question. This is a challenge to you. That you need to make those people from my community where some people can access telephone and there is a primary healthcare center. I like to plead and ask you that use your word of experience and being a doctor, those who make people live when they have health challenges. Just ensure that anything that is to get to that grassroots gets to them. You will see recently, Mr. Speaker, on social media, the governor of Ebonyi State going to the primary healthcare, the head of the secretary of the primary healthcare in the state, and seeing some of them selling the drugs that were meant for the people, and they were selling it. And it's the governor himself that did that move. Just know that the fact that you are facing this house today, even if the governor doesn't do that for Edo State, we can call you when we smell such kind of crime issues. Please make sure this healthcare thing really goes primary. And when it is primary, it means to the fundamentals, to our people in our local villages. Yes, we are free, we are in Benin. They can be primary care, but it's not because of Benin, because there are general hospitals, there are specialist hospitals, there are private hospitals. But when they use the word primary care, you now know you have a lot on your shoulders. Meaning you need to go to those villages, you need to ensure that hospitals or those primary health cares are clean enough. In addition to what you are going to do, those primary health care centers will be clean. Because some of it you come to read, you'll be amazed that if this is a place where somebody can get good health care. So please, we beg you, ensure that it really goes down and let our people be heard. The people are heard in the show. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Smith.
Dr. Osoikhia. Mr. Speaker.
Is your colleague?
Dr. Osoikhia is my colleague. I do not know him, but I know him by book. I know him through his CV. I've gone through his CV, and Dr. Osoikhia has gone through the 3 tiers of medical government. I would say 3 tiers. He has gone through primary healthcare delivery system. He has gone through secondary healthcare delivery system. He has worked there. He has practiced. He has also worked in the tertiary institution, which is the climax of medical practice. So I think, Mr. Speaker, that he has the wealth of experience needed to actually head this agency. Mr. Speaker, sir, we take a doctor who has gone through grassroots medicine very, very important. Because it's at that level that most of the diseases that spread among children and women of vulnerable age are tackled. So with his wealth of experience, I believe, working with him, working with the chairman House Committee on Health, which is myself, we should be able to at least improve healthcare delivery system in our state, most especially at the primary healthcare level. Improving healthcare delivery system at that level will reduce infant mortality, it will reduce maternal mortality, it will also help in boosting manpower that are plunged into our economic or in our workspace to improve our economy in our state. Because only healthy people can be productive at place of work. Mr. Speaker, I stand to support and speak for him that he should, or rather he is qualified, more than qualified for this particular position whom he has been nominated for. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. Mine is to guide you. I'm not going to master everything. What you said. The government should do central. You have three sectorial in those states. You should give a fair share of this agency, these 3 sectorial. As for the upper area, Red East, we have a lot of hospitals. For some areas in Red East, especially in my sectorial of here, in Umude and Udiomo, we have some villages that is primary health care. So reach out to those areas. Don't play politics with this position. Because we know that we are affiliated to politics one way or the other. So use this position to ensure that the people of other senatorial, I don't know that I don't central, get the fair dividends of this agency. That is my advice to you. And I wish you all the best. Thank God for the journalist God with power and guide. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
I should also speak because instead of doesn't mean to speak. I think I want to align with the member representing Oredo is the book legacy that all these electoral districts must be represented in terms of primary health care. Local government, which is Oma West, Oma East, Akoko Edo, Isako East, Isako Central, and Isako West. Please also take note of that central district. Thank you very much. I think our house will not have. Do not. Remember that Isako East, are you with me on this? Are you with me? Thank you very much. So, distinguished members, any other? So, thank you very much. I think we've done the needful, and I want to put in question for his clearance. Members, if you can remember that the secretary to the Edo State Primary Healthcare Agency nominee should be declared by this election last. We say aye. Those against say aye. Secretary to Edo State's Primary Health Agency have been declared by the Assembly in this election. Please, copies of this declaration sent to His Excellency, yes,
For the plenary, Honorable Sezwa Ojizele, where they represent Eastern Southeast constituency, can move a motion of adjournment to defer further deliberations to February 18, 2025. Honorable Kingsley Ogabi can second the motion, and the House comes schedule next sitting for Tuesday, February 18, 2025.
Mr. Speaker, we had debated this matter severally in this House. And before now, we had a conclusion that any time an amendment, the repeal is required, the substantive bill must be with members so that we can cross-check to know the cause of the amendment or what is responsible for the repeal. Because I'm surprised that they have shared, this bill has just been shared, this amendment has been shared now, and substantive bill is not here.
I agree with you, I said that. Please let this bill to handle this.
Mr. Speaker, at this very junction, and having concluded all that we have today in the other paper, I hereby move a motion of adjournment that this honorable House do now adjourn sitting the Tuesday, 18th February 2025 at 10 a.m. prompt. I so move.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My name is Ugabi Kingsley. I represent Osoikhia East State constituency. I rise to second the motion of adjournment ably moved by my friend and brother from Eastern Southeast to the effect that this House do now adjourn sitting to Tuesday the 18th of February 2025 at 10 a.m. prompt. Thank you.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know the take blame. From Edo State House of Assembly, Ekata Ojiseli, TMC TV News.